Let's see prompt engineering through Python in this video. First, you need to create a collab file. Search for Google, and here just search for collab, and you will find this Google Colab. This is the notebook provider in this collab only. Create a new notebook, and in this new notebook, first you need to install basic libraries and profile for your command option. So I'm going to display this file where I had already installed qtorch, transformation, accelerator gradient, request, and everything is installed here. I'll share this PDF in the description link, and this will be further API. But before running this API, you will have to generate this API. So just jump back to DeepSeek portal. Here you can see this is the API platform. Click on this option. You can see I just top up this balance in previous video. If you do not know, just go back to my previous video and find this top up scenario process. Now once I have this top up in my balance, I can go back to API key. There are different APIs key which I used in previous session. Now I'm going to create fourth KPI now. So this is my new KPI, name it anything, create API key. This is my new KPI. Do not display your key publicly. This is just a small warning, soft warning here. So I'm going to copy this API key and just paste it here. Just replace this KPI by your KPI value. And now I'm going to provide this code. This is the general KPI client, this chat. I'm going to use this OpenAI model, and this is the ChatGPT open basic tool. It's allowing you to basic tool there, and using this API key you can use this OpenAI model as well. And now I'm going to model this one. I'm going to use this maximum token, temperature 0.7. Let's see how we can use the temperature here. If you want to know the temperature, you can go back to the DeepSeek and API platform. Here you can see on the left hand side the document option is there. Click on this documentation and you will find this temperature parameter here. Can you see this is relevant temperature part? This is coding. So they recommend user to set temperature according to their use case. If your use case is math related, just keep this temperature 0.0. If your temperature is data analysis, data cleaning, keep it 1.0. This is general conversation 1.3, translation 1.3, and conversation writing and poetry, keep it 1.5. These are relevant temperature key scenarios. Let's go back to our prompt values. What's the key value here? This is 0.7, which means this temperature is something relevant to this part. Okay, this is in between coding part and coding related. So this is different temperature value. So I'm not going to stream it, I'm going to false, and this is my response here. Okay, let's run. This is first output. This is can see this is you are helpful assistant, this is hello, and this is my output over there. I asked another question, who is president of USA, and can you see as of my last update is October 2003, which is really like alarming that this is not working on current history dataset. So it's giving this president of USA is Joe Biden, which is really incorrect answer. And the inaugurated on January 25, and these are relevant answer and responses. You can see this is purely wrong option. So this is one kind of limitation we have seen in previous video, that this model is working on previous history, not in the live sessions. So this is complete understanding of this API only, not the correct answer. Okay, so this code will be there to run your portal locally.